My friend, I cannot stress enough the importance of understanding the current economic landscape, especially when it comes to your investments. These are not mere numbers on a screen, they represent your hard-earned money, your financial future, and potentially your peace of mind. In this volatile world of stocks and shares, it's easy to get swept up in the excitement of rising prices, successful companies, and positive market sentiment. But, as we've seen time and time again, these waves can crash upon the shores of reality with unforgiving force. Let me assure you, I'm not speaking from an angry tone, but from a place of deep concern for your financial well-being. So, let's break it down. You've invested in companies like Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, and Enphase Energy, ENPH, and the recent performance of these stocks has likely brought you joy and, perhaps, a sense of security. But, and this is a big but, it's vital to ask questions. Are you truly aware of what's driving these stock prices? Have you considered the long-term sustainability of these companies? And are you prepared for the uncertainties that the market can throw your way? The truth is, while stocks like AMD and Enphase Energy may be on the rise today, nothing in the stock market is guaranteed. What goes up can also come down, and sometimes with a resounding crash. If we look at Enphase Energy's performance in 2023, it's a prime example. The stock is down 52% year-to-date, making it one of the worst performers in the S&P 500. This tells us that even companies with seemingly promising prospects can experience substantial setbacks. Now, let's consider AMD's recent announcement of its intent to acquire an AI software startup, Nod.com. This move is part of AMD's AI growth strategy, and it's intended to help them compete with a behemoth like Nvidia, which has been raking in revenues and earnings. It's a smart move, and the stock experienced a positive bump on this news. However, this doesn't guarantee that AMD will succeed in the long term. There are questions about the company's history of share dilution, which could impact stock prices. While there's potential for share buybacks, it's not a surefire solution. When it comes to Enphase Energy, it's essential to understand their financial health and the reasons behind their underperformance. This company's share price hasn't reflected its true potential, and this can happen when market sentiment and actual financial performance don't align. It's not just about looking at stock prices but diving deep into the fundamentals, their partnerships, and the overall market sentiment surrounding their sector. I encourage you to take a step back and consider the bigger picture. Look beyond the headlines, beyond the momentary spikes in stock prices. Ask yourself about the long-term prospects of these companies. Are you comfortable with your level of exposure to specific sectors like technology and renewable energy? Have you considered diversification to protect your portfolio from potential downturns? It's also essential to think about your exit strategies. What if the stock prices do start to drop? Do you have a plan in place to protect your investments and potentially buy more shares at a lower cost? And when you're assessing stock prices and targets, don't forget the importance of valuations and intrinsic value. These are your anchors in a sea of market speculation. In this ever-changing world of finance, it's not about making predictions, it's about being prepared. The recent developments in both AMD and Enphase Energy are promising, but they are just that, promises. No one can foresee the future with certainty. So, what can you do? Stay informed, be vigilant, and be ready to adapt your investment strategy as the winds of change blow through the market. And, above all, remember that you're not alone in this journey. Seek out advice from experts, consult with financial advisors, and engage in open discussions with fellow investors. Weigh the information, analyze the facts, and make informed decisions. Your financial well-being depends on it. So, my friend, let's not let anger or frustration guide our actions. Instead, let's channel our energy into understanding, planning, and adapting. Your financial future is too precious to be left to chance. Keep a watchful eye on your investments, be prepared for the unexpected, and always prioritize your financial well-being. It's a journey worth embarking on.
Before you go, help us by smashing that YouTube like button. And subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any of our videos. This shows YouTube algorithm that you value our information. And it helps us spread the message. Sharing is caring.